Oh, it's time. I warmly welcome one and all to Moghe Education Consultancy's series of webinars on P2BL. So, what is this P2BL? Who all will benefit from it? And who is it for? So, I warmly welcome Dr. Prakash Moghe, who will address all these concerns. Please, Dr. Moghe.
Hi, thank you, Snehal. Problem and project-based learning is a pedagogy which has been recommended by the National Education Policy, and it's going to be compulsory. It helps you in analyzing the problem, understanding the issues, and getting it converted into operational stages. Moghe Education Consultancy has tied up with an international expert, Dr. of Edu Energy LLP Singapore, who is going to deal with this project and who is going to conduct 5 workshops, a series of workshops in all 5, which will help you to analyze the problem और जिससे आप अपनी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो उसको अच्छे से समझ के उसके छोटे छोटे पीसेस करके उसको अच्छे से सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. So I invite you to that workshop, and details of the workshop are given below. And on the occasion of Teachers' Day, he has agreed to do it at a very concessional price for all the teachers. And we want Moghe Consultancy as well as Dr. Vaikar Edu Energy. We want more and more teachers to be edupreneurs and understand the problem and project-based learning pedagogy. Thank you very much.
And hey, the top 5 performers, teachers, who would be the students, no doubt, would get this book from our library. First 5 top performers would get this book from Wonder Publications as a souvenir from our side. Thank you so much.